Simon Darcy finds true love in Afghanistan.
You tell it to fuck off in pasture. Fuck off. I'll tell you what, it's going to get a rifle butt in his head in a minute.
Well, it does seem to like the tough love.
I'll get bored in a minute. Come under contact now with this fucking thing. What did you do? There's not a lot I can do with that.
Persistence pays off.
I'll chuck it over this way, it won't bother me. Fucking go!
It must be love, love, love.